Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Fuad Fadilah from 12 Science 1. Today, I would like to tell you about the storytelling, and the title is The Battle of Surabaya. The moment of Indonesia to achieve independence on the 17th of August 1945 was not the end of the struggle. One day, on the late October 1945, Brigadier Malabi with those of 6,000 British troops landed on Surabaya, aiming to organize the recovery of Allied prisoners of war. However, they also had another intention, which was to take control over Surabaya and urge all Indonesian troops and militia to surrender the weapons. Brigadier Malabi asked his troops, "The troops, come here. Are you all ready to attack Indonesia?" instructed Malabi. "Yes, Captain, we are ready," responded the troops. "Could you guarantee all the strategy has been well planned?" Continue Malabi. "Yes, Captain. Everything is ready to bombard Surabaya," the troops said confidently. "Now, please send this letter to Mr. Suryo," said Malabi. The letter consists of Malabi's offer pointed to Mr. Suryo as the governor of East Java in order that he was willing to cooperate with his mission in taking control over Surabaya. Unfortunately, Mr. Suryo refused to cooperate with the colony. Finally, on the 9th of November 1945, as soon as the tragedy causing Malabi passed away, British Indian troops delivered ultimatum to Indonesians to surrender and give up the guns, otherwise Surabaya will be bombarded. However, Indonesians ignored all kinds of threats from colony. This reaction then led the Battle of 10 November to be occurred, which was initiated by Bung Tomo's speech to raise the Indonesian spirit to defend Surabaya. Bung Tomo speech. "In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful, Merdeka, hey British troops! As long as Indonesia bulls, the youth of Indonesia have red blood that can make a piece of white cloth, red and white, we will never surrender. Comrades, the people of Surabaya, be prepared. The situation is critical. However, let me remind you once more, do not open fire until they fire at us. Let us show them all that we want a freedom. And to us, comrade, we'd rather be devastated and destroyed than have no freedom. Our motto remains, freedom or death. In the end, victory will be ours. Allah is ours with the right people. Let us be assured God will protect us all, comrades. Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Merdeka!" Approximately 20,000 Indonesia troops of the newly formed People's Security Army and over 100,000 militias and irregular fighters defending the city of Surabaya. Women, children, all the people that pursue the right to get freedom should not deserve this destiny instead of you, the colony. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For you all comrades, I promise that I will take our freedom back. I will guarantee that Indonesia is ours and no one can deny it, Bung Tomo said enthusiastically. Finally, although Indonesia lack of ability in using the guns, although lots of victims were fell down, Indonesia success to show the world that all the courage in wanting to get freedom and all the worship to the Almighty God are such enough gun to win the battle. Merdeka. Okay guys, I think enough for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.